Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M8 versus a jet. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two incredible machines, helping you understand which might be better suited for various scenarios. We'll look at their primary functions, performance capabilities, and the unique experiences each offers. Get ready to dive into a fascinating comparison. When it comes to raw speed, the comparison is quite stark. The BMW M8 delivers thrilling acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in around 3.0 seconds, perfect for road driving. However, a private jet operates on an entirely different scale, cruising at speeds exceeding 500 miles per hour. This allows for incredibly fast long-distance travel, making a jet the clear winner for covering vast geographical areas quickly. Considering cost and practicality, the BMW M8 is a significant investment, typically starting around $140,000. It's a practical choice for daily driving and road adventures. In contrast, a private jet represents a multi-million-dollar acquisition with substantial ongoing operational costs. Jets are reserved for specific, high-value scenarios where time is paramount and long-distance travel is frequent, making them less practical for everyday use. Ultimately, the choice depends on the experience you seek. The BMW M8 provides an exhilarating, hands-on driving experience, connecting you directly to the road with its powerful engine and refined handling. A private jet, however, offers an unmatched level of comfort, privacy, and efficiency for air travel. It's about reaching your destination swiftly and in ultimate luxury, a completely different purpose than the joy of driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.